How to install Git on Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So in order to install Git, here are the few steps. So first of all, open any of your browser and in the tab, you have to type in Git download. Now hit the enter button and you will see the downloads by Git SCM. Tap on the URL and you will see some of the features of download in Linux, Windows and Mac OS. You can tap in download for Windows and you can click in this click here to download link for the latest version. Or you can install other versions as well. Once you tap on it, the installation will start on your device. You can check it from the download section. This might take some few seconds in order to install the installer on your device. Once that is done, just double click on it and it will open on your device. Tap on yes, and in this terms and condition you have to tap on next. You can choose the location or leave it as it is. Again, keep on clicking on the next version and leave the settings as it is. You can also make the changes if you want to. However, it is preferred to leave it as it is. Make sure that you click next on each step if you do not want to make any of the changes. In the last slide, you will see the install button. Tap on it and the installation will start on your device. This might take a few minutes, so you have to wait until then. Once installed, you can either open the Git bash or you can view its information or release notes. To check if the Git bash has been installed, open your command prompt and type in git space -- and then version. Once you do so, you will see the version of the Git installed on your device. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.